Now listen for the bangs. Okay. It is banging up here. Okay. That banging noise, I've lubricated this frickin' door. I wonder if, well, I think you can just lubricate that a little bit. Alright. Now, how toxic is this stuff? Okay. We lower it and listen for another bang, see if it helped any. Not one damn bit. Son of a gun. Oh, okay. I see what the problem is. Oh, shit. A little better. The door's too far this way. Oh shit. Here's the idea. Lost a bolt over there and the whole damn garage door is slowly shifting over towards the right hand side, and that's why that thing's going bang 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 over here. Because the cord that connects to the bottom is actually hitting over here. So I'm going to scoot the whole door that way, but in order to do that, I've got to find another bolt to put into that side over there and tighten that up. All right, let's see if I can show you what's going on here. This cable right here is taut. It's spun tight by this rod and spun tight by the spring over there, so that the two bottom parts of the door both raise and lower at the same speed, so the door doesn't try to come unjammed. And trust me, it's done that before to me. What's happening is as the door's going up, it's hitting here, it's hitting further down, it's hitting all this stuff all over the door and banging. Now, I've physically drugged the door over a little bit. I need to find a bolt for that side, and I think I'll be good.
What are you throwing?
Fixing the garage door. What's it look like?
No, Ellie said you were throwing stuff.
It's hitting over here. I gotta find a bolt. I'm missing a bolt on that side. I gotta find a bolt for it. Hit the garage door button.
Why does it smell funny in here?
Because that light's burning up the cockroaches in it.
Ew.